Hello, this is two-way bridge communication. This is UART. Here I connected pin number 19, ground and 21, where pin number 19 is connected to the RXD and pin number 21 orange color is connected to the TXD. Here pin number 19 is transfer and here USB-TTL is a receiver. Similarly, transfer and this one is receiver. Okay. First we need to connect to the laptop. Now I explain the program. I connected pin number 19 and 21 from ESP32. Here hardware serial, my serial is 2, that means UART hardware 2. Okay, we have three modes, right? Three hardware types. I am using hardware 2, hardware 0, hardware 1, hardware 2. We have hardware 2 use specified pins. Okay, where hardware 1 is for debugging purpose. In setup I have written the baud rate for ESP32 for communication and USB-TTL. Here baud rate is 9600. We can write both same only, but general default value is this one, baud rate for ESP32 and my USB-TTL. Okay, whereas the serial 8N1 is 8-bit, no parity, one stop bit. In serial monitor, first it will be print USB UART bridge ready. Okay, that means the setup is ready, showing. Next, in while loop it checks the ESB serial monitor is available or not. I have written in comments clearly. Okay, if it is available, it's write data into USB TTL, from which data it reads the data read from the ESP32 serial monitor. Okay, this is the main function. Similarly, if USB TTL is available or not, it checks. If it is available, the serial in ESP32 serial monitor, it writes data from USB TTL read using my serial read option. Okay, I'm giving it a small delay. Okay, now I am updating the data. I am connecting this pin also. Okay, now I am connecting this one also. Okay, we have serial monitor from Arduino, but we need two-way communication, right? So I'm using second monitor. For second monitor, I downloaded sudo apt install screen. Okay, after installation, we need to type screen development board device name TTY USB 1. The USB TTL 1 monitor I am using terminal. For ESP32 I am using Arduino. Okay, for this device baud rate speed is 9600. Okay, it's now connected. Now I am opening ESP32 baud rate serial monitor. Okay, now I am typing some hello. Yeah, it's shown. I think it is due to resetting automatically. Now it's stabilized. Okay, now I am typing hello. This is USB-TTL serial monitor. Okay, it's printing the communication bit from USB-TTL to the ESP32. Okay, now I am typing here. This is USB ESP32 ESP32 serial monitor. I am typing. Okay, yeah, it's now done. Okay, from both sides we can communicate. Thanks for watching.